Hello and welcome to a new episode. Before we start this episode, I want to thank you all because this week we reached a milestone on YouTube. We've got 1,000 subscribers. So thank you all. Now this week's video is going to be a bit short because we were on vacation and all, but we've still got a lot of things coming up on the channel, like more updates on the sanitary building, such as an outside toilet, or is it really a toilet? You'll find out. A new sink for 80 bucks and much more. We've got an insane swing design coming up, and in the long run, we've got a ruin to restore. So there's still a lot to look forward to on our channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button to get the updates of our channel regularly. And who knows, maybe it doesn't have to take another year to reach 2,000 subscribers. Okay, thanks everyone again for subscribing. And now let's continue with making a circus tent. Circus tent? What? Okay. Hello and welcome to a new episode. In this episode, we're going to make a covered area to make a playground beneath. And that's going to be built right in the middle of our olive field. Right over here. So what are we going to use? Well, we're going to use the triangular shade sails that we used in the previous episode about our raised garden beds. And those need to be fixed onto something, of course. For that, we're going to use the olive trees. And when we arrived on the land, these big posts were standing here for an old telephone line. But that was not in use anymore, so we pulled those down. And we're going to reuse those as a column in the center. And maybe some extra columns on the sides wherever we need it. Just one more shade sail to go. And then we're done. So these sails aren't the best quality. You see here, and while we have a lot of tension there in the center, the sides are still a bit floppy. And that's basically the case with all of these shade sails. So I'm guessing it's some kind of manufacturing thing. I guess you get what you pay for. So let's finish that last one and call it a day. And there you have it, a playground circus tent. Now it may not sound like a big deal, but with this we've created a shaded area with a diameter of 10 meters. That's about 80 square meters of play area in the shade. That will be a big addition for our kids in the blazing summer sun. Now the costs. The shade sail set us back about 160, but the rope probably around 30 bucks, and the hardware another 30 bucks. The poles we've reused from the land, and the olive trees, well, those are just priceless, just like our precious children. Well, that was it for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Ciao!